Hello everyone, I have an interesting exercise, how to calculate speed of Earth around Sun. So we will need the formula that average speed equals distance over time. So we need to divide the distance by the time. And we know the distance here is given approximately 150 million kilometers. But we want to express it in meters, that's why they provide these big numbers as exponent. Okay, so we might think that we should do it like this, right? We could type 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11, right? My sun, this is my sun here. Uh, and we should divide it by the time. But this is not the total distance. The total distance is the circle, right? Actually, the Earth orbit is ellipsis, which is quite close to the circle. So we may assume that it's like a circle, but what they provide us here with is just a radius. So we can represent radius as this line. So this distance 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 meters is a radius. And if we need to know the total distance, because this our Earth, it goes around, it needs to follow this distance. So we will use the formula for the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi times radius. Okay, so it won't be actually 1.5 times to the power of 11, but it will be 1.5 times 628 times radius, because pi equals 3.14, right? Pi is 3.14, 1 pi 3.14, so 2 pi will be 6.28. So this is our distance. And okay, so let's draw a line. We need to divide it by the time. And what is the time? They write the Earth takes 1 year to orbit the Sun. So should we write here divided by 1 year? No, we need to change 1 year to seconds. So how to change 1 year to seconds? Year has 365 days, and each day has 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes, and each minute has 60 seconds. So that's how we need to multiply it. It will be our time 1 year expressed in seconds. Okay, so let's calculate it here. 365 times 24 and times 3600, because 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Okay, so we have again a very large number. We have 31,536,000 seconds. So let's convert it. Just like here, they convert this distance 10 to the power of 11, because they express it in meters, this million kilometers. So we can also type this as similar notation with exponent. So it will be 3, 156 times 10 to the power of 7. And this is our time. So we have distance and time. So let's calculate this. How much is 1.5 times 628? 942. 1.42, right? So here is 9.42. and here is this large number. So how to recalculate it? Okay, so we can divide the numbers by number. 9.32 divided by 2136 and divide this 10 to the power 11 by 10 to the power of 7. So what is going to be 9.42 divided by 3.156 equals 2.98. And now we will multiply it by what? By the result of this division. So how much is 10 divided to the 11 divided by 10 to 7? According to the rule of exponent, if exponents have the same base, we subtract them. So 11 minus 7 equals 4. So it's 10 to the power of 4. As you can see, number becomes much smaller, and this we know that this means 4 zeros, right? This is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which will equal, let's escape the superscript, which will equal to 10,000. So 2.98 times 10,000, we just change the position of 0 4 times, right? So this is 1 time, this is 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and we got our result. So the speed of Earth is approximately 29,800 meters per second. How big number is this? Can you imagine it? That our Earth moves so fast around Sun and we don't feel it? We think that we are stable in one position, but we are moving 29,000 meters, almost 31,000 meters in 1 second, which equals around 107,000 kilometers an hour. So the passenger plane goes 800 or 900 kilometers per hour, but Earth moves 100 times faster than a plane, and we don't feel it. This is really amazing how God created universe. Okay, so that's how we can solve this exercise. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time. Bye.